Thousands of devotees, some of them without masks, gathered by the river Ganges in Uttarakhand's Haridwar in densely packed crowds for prayers during the Kumbh Mela, one of the largest religious gatherings in the world. This at a time when COVID-19 cases are at an all-time high. Even in Uttarakhand, ensuring social distancing has emerged as the biggest challenge for the authorities. Meanwhile, Mahant Rajgiri, the head of Akhada Parishad, has also tested positive and he has been isolated. 386 people have tested positive in the last 24 hours in Haridwar. There are close to 2,000 active COVID-19 cases in the city.
देखिए, कोविड तो बहुत ही बड़ा इस बार चैलेंज बन के उभरा है और शुरू दिन से हम एसओपीज लगा रहे हैं और उसी का असर आप देख रहे हैं कि आज जो हम 50 लाख प्लस की भीड़ अदरवाइज आती तो आज हम 25 प्लस के रेंज में हैं। मेरा कहना है कि 50% लगभग कम हो गई है क्राउड और हम लोगों ने जहां तक संभव हुआ कोविड का पालन कराया है। देखिए, पीक डे पे हम चालान करना हमारे लिए संभव नहीं है। हमारी 15,000 प्लस पुलिस लगी है, संभव ही नहीं तो जाम लग जाएंगे। बाकी दिनों हमने चालान भी किए हैं और चेकिंग भी की है। ये भी देखा है कि आप सब अपने प्रॉपर गाइडलाइन का पालन कर रहे हैं कि नहीं।
So we are right now at Haridwar and today is the Shahi Snan of Kumbh Mela. We have the Mela Adhikari present with us. Mr. Deepak Rawat sir, how are the preparations looking like right now?
The preparations are fully done. In fact, Niranjani Akhada is about to start. The Shahi route has been duly cleared. All the provisions on the way, whether of water, whether of sprinkling, whether of any kind of safety measures that are in place, and we are looking forward to a very, very peaceful and a very, very secure Snan.
Absolutely, sir. Just one challenge that we saw as far as the authorities are concerned is social distancing. Now, you also will agree to that because lakhs of people are already here. How are you preparing to tackle that as far as the awareness among people are concerned?
First of all, we've given due consideration to the fact that the SOPs say that you have to come with a COVID negative report. That has been complied with. Now coming to social distancing at the ghats, it's certainly difficult because there the priority is of smooth crowd flow and also the fact that there shouldn't be any stampedes which Haridwar has been witness to in the past. So somewhere a delicate balance between two, but nonetheless my appeal through your medium to all the devotees that as far as possible please follow COVID appropriate behavior.
Sir, any numbers that we are expecting today as far as the devotees and the sadhus are concerned?
Last Shivratri we were at 32 lakhs. As of now I cannot really say what's happening in the other ghats, but probably somewhere in the day I could give you more accurate figures.